What's up, YouTube? This is Power Surge. I want to talk to you today about where we are in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency bubble, and a little bit about John Oliver's skit on cryptocurrency this weekend, and what it shows about the sentiment of cryptocurrency for the masses right now, and how people are feeling, and what the media is trying to put out there to the masses about Bitcoin and crypto. So I made videos in the past about the Bitcoin bubble bursting. In January, I said that we were at the bull trap phase and that the bubble had burst, the top had blown off, this Bitcoin craze, and we came down and rallied to 16,000. Then of course we've been crashing ever since, and we had a lot of hope after we rallied from 6,000 all the way back up to 11,700. Then we crashed back down and we hit that 11,700 mark almost again, but we crashed back down again. So that 9,000 to 11,700 mark, that was our denial phase. So we had the bull trap, we had the complacency, which was those volatile drops back and forth that happened after the bull trap. And now we had the denial phase, which is where everyone was waiting for Bitcoin to just break out of 11,700. And it didn't, and now the selling has happened. And what's coming is the panic selling, because obviously Bitcoin has a purpose in this economy and stuff, but too much money was poured into it. And the entire crypto space, as I'm speaking, the market cap is like $370 billion, which is a big drop from the 800 billion that was the all-time high, more than half. So coins like Neo are $83 when it was $150 a couple weeks ago. Coins like Ripple, which I never had faith in from the start, is all the way down to like 83 cents, and it's gonna fall harder. Bitcoin Cash is gonna fall even harder. A lot of these altcoins need to die. So we're in that phase where scams have come out and altcoins, crappy coins, are starting to die, and even good projects aren't getting the attention they need, or if any bad news comes out about the project, it just melts the price. So let's talk about John Oliver real quick. He had this show this weekend about cryptocurrency, and some people would think it's good because he's telling the masses about it. He tried to explain it in a very comical, kind of negative way. However, he really more poked fun of it and just bashed the hell out of it, in my opinion. Let's talk about what he made fun of. He spoke about the EOS founder, and he played clips of the EOS founder. The EOS founder, for those of you who don't know, is a burner, and they talked about his wedding. Basically, he didn't show any of what the founder was talking about, the technology. He just showed the guy explaining his Burning Man wedding. And I've been to Burning Man, and I will tell you, yes, there are a community of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors that have really cool stuff at Burning Man, because you know what? Burning Man isn't cheap, and those cryptocurrency people got in early. They're rich. So there is a small niche of rich as heck Bitcoin and crypto people at Burning Man. And the EOS founder is one of them. But he used this to just mock and ridicule the EOS founder and make him look like a clown. Young people are seeing this, and it just affects their sentiment. He also showed a clip of a young person who invested like 300 bucks, traded it up to like 12,000, ended up becoming a millionaire last year because of Bitcoin. And he just made fun of it like this kid was an idiot. Look at how this idiot got rich, instead of pointing out like this was such an incredible opportunity that someone who didn't know a lot about investing started a few years ago and now is a millionaire. But instead he mocked the young rich kid that succeeded with cryptocurrency, and honestly that kid took risk. He knew ahead of the game. That kid is we should be praising him, not mocking the kid that they made fun of. He compared cryptocurrency and Bitcoin to that snobby nerd in people's offices that they hate because they don't understand what he's talking about, and he's just trying to push crypto on them. So he really painted this character as the crypto investor as being like a nerdy, arrogant person that you don't like to be around. He also said, I quote, "Cryptocurrency is gambling." He said, "You may make billions or you're most likely to lose it all." So he outright called cryptocurrency gambling, completely disregarding all the technology. And yes, crypto has been a bubble because people poured their money into it. But in a way, people are screwing up crypto. People are making crappy coins, and they're getting emotional and investing with loans, and there's scams. So yes, people have corrupted this, but the way John Oliver paints it is even worse, and he doesn't paint any light on the darkness. This show also does a solid like 12 minutes about BitConnect. Basically, Comedy Central is like a year behind the times, and they tried to catch up with everything that's happened on YouTube. So they explained BitConnect, they explained Carlos Matos, and did a comical satire mocking skit of BitConnect, but they're just so behind. It makes Comedy Central look bad because they're just catching up to this crap that we've all seen for a long time. So he tried to explain the community and what's existed on Reddit. He made a joke about Hodl Gang, but but it was overall very negative for Bitcoin and crypto. And to be honest, we've seen the Google trends for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are down. There's not a lot of people searching for it anymore. We don't have a lot of new money coming in. Where are the greater fools going to be? Everyone that was going to buy Bitcoin kind of bought it at the wrong time already, or they bought it at the right time. But the fools rushed in December, and there's not a whole lot of fools that want to rush in anymore. So it's going to be hard for cryptocurrency to rally back to all-time highs anytime soon. In my opinion, this bear market is probably going to continue for a little bit. That's all I wanted to say, give you an update about crypto. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead, if you like it, smash the like button. Please feel free to subscribe. I make videos all the time. Leave a comment if you saw the John Oliver show and you want to tell me what you thought about it. I thought it was just ridiculing Bitcoin for no reason. And as always, just have a great day.